I'm Amy. I'm the owner and curator here at Muse Originals OBX, and this is my sidekick, Penelope. We have been open for 1 year now. A year ago today we had 25 artists and we're up to over 75 now. We've expanded the square footage of the store in order to accommodate their artwork, and we've also opened our glassblower studio in the back where you can see him work live most days. In addition to giving the artists space to show and sell their artwork, we're also giving them some space to teach how to create their artwork. We're going to have artist pop-ups throughout the summer, paint nights, crochet nights. Come on by and experience Muse Originals OBX. We're located in Kitty Hawk at milepost 2.5 on the Beach Road. We're right next to Arts Place.